Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee hair damage compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in damage to your hair. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you're wondering, can you sue a hairdresser for damaging your hair, or you would like to take legal action against a hairdresser, it's important that you bear in mind that you may only be entitled to compensation if the accident which has caused damage to your hair was down to the negligence of others. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation for hair damage? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in hair damage, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims, no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with hair damage claims. The good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our personal injury compensation calculator in order to give you a fuller idea of how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone, and they don't include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred because of the accident. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your hair damage compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, but most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for hair damage in our compensation claim amount table. In front of us, we have the table for damage to hair compensation claim amounts, and damage to hair in consequence of defective permanent waving, tinting, or the like, where the effects are dermatitis, eczema, or tingling or burning of the scalp, causing dry, brittle hair which breaks off and or falls out, leading to distress, depression, embarrassment, and loss of confidence, and inhibiting social life. In the most serious cases, thinning continues and the prospects of regrowth are poor, or there has been total loss of areas of hair and regrowth is slow. There may be a large award in cases of significant psychological disability, or if surgical intervention, e.g. skin grafting, is required. And you could expect to receive anything between £5,850 right the way up to £8,780. Then for less serious versions of the above, where symptoms are fewer or only of a minor character. Also cases where hair has been pulled out leaving bald patches. The level of the award will depend on the length of time taken before regrowth occurs. This bracket will include cases of alopecia induced by stress causing some hair loss, where full recovery is made within 2 years. And you could expect to receive anything between £3,150 right the way up to £5,850. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim.
Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.